You guys didn't. You need to connect it up, I guess. Well, it's fine. I guess we were done with tic tac toe actually.
Oh, no what are the diagonals.
I just wanted you to use functions instead of like those multiple things. Remember?
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Okay, cool.
We could.
You can share your screen and then we go through it.
Aish, no, now ne ke ro feletsa tic toe, so aish, wa bona jaje. Wa senyega.
No, we can finish it off. And then
Okay.
then
So
tomorrow when Gosnati is here, then we can
yeah. I think we have a week left, guys. Uh, the rest it'll just be consultations and feedback. Or what?
okay.
Yeah.
But can you also like sort of give us task on what we did, sort of?
Yeah, I can.
Especially because I'm not struggle with new things. I told you.
So yeah, actually, like now you're gonna lead. Uh, go back to the code.
Wait, I'm still presenting.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This one. So we want you to. I want you to write a something that compares diagonal values.
Yes.
Yeah. So here we have compare rows, we have compare columns. So we want compare diagonals, right?
Yeah.
So now let's start with just create a function that compares left left diagonals. Yeah, remove that. So maybe call it compare underscore left underscore diag, like DIAG. Yeah, cool. Also takes in a matrix. Yep. So how are you going to do it?
Can I just copy this and put it there?
What do you mean? Oh, you want to put it before the okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay. So
How
what
do
is
you
the diagonal?
yeah, how would you compare diagonals?
Now with diagonals, the position will be changing together.
Yeah.
Unlike the first time when the positions were the indexes were just the same.
Yeah. So
Which
yeah, continue.
yeah, which means okay, let me see. Let me think.
So let me ask you, if the indices are changing together, how many for loops do we need?
Oh, we just need one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I can't say row, I can't say column. What do you call it? For diagonal.
No. Well, we're working with indices, right, and not values, right? So for I in range.
Will be from 1 to 3.
Nah, man, it's fine. Three is fine. You go from three is fine, yeah, because it's 0 to 2. Oh, do you actually do it how you want to do it? Actually, let me not disturb you.
No. Keep talking. Keep talking. Checking with your file. So we need to check if. So we're gonna have, what is it, 11001122,
Yeah.
which means that our, what is it? Our value would be at, I don't know what we call that value. Um, let's call it.
I can't hear you properly anymore. I don't know what happened.
Sorry, I don't know.
Yeah, what
You
are you
know,
saying?
when you're not sure about your stuff, that's when you know the voice started to decline. So it has to be this, and then it will be, what is it?
So let me stop you there. That should be okay. Continue. That's fine. Do it. Do what you were initially gonna do.
Matrix I, right?
Yeah. You're doing it again. Your voice is low again.
Position I at matrix I.
Okay.
Next,
Yeah.
then from there now I need to do the if statement.
Mm-hmm. Your if statement.
So if, oh, okay. So first time it runs, it will give me the previous number, which will be the value at I and I.
Mm-hmm.
I need to do it such that the second time when it comes to the if statement, it compares the new I and I with the previous I and I. Wait,
Yeah.
how did we do this?
Yeah, we did it outside the loop. Like if you think about it, your previous should be outside the loop because that one, the first previous, it's outside the inner loop. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the previous in the one below, go down. Your
Mhm.
previous in the one below, you need to remove that previous,
Okay.
that line, cut that line out and paste it outside of the loop and make it 0, 0, right? Because that's our initial one. No. I, where you have I.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. So
And
we
then now
start.
what does that mean for our range now?
The range has to start at 1. Not
Yeah. So it starts at 1 and then it ends where? Yeah. No. It's comma. Yeah. Okay. Now
then we do a pre. Let me do this. Do
that if is
the
in the
head.
wrong place, eh?
See.
Yeah.
Then we do the new one, which will
Yes.
be the current one,
Yes.
equal to I and I.
Yes.
Now we can compare. Oh, as the loop goes, it will always compare the next one to that previous one.
Yeah.
Previous is equal to current.
No, but you're it's not the you're saying equals the you should compare. Yeah, but Yeah.
How did we sort out the issue of? Okay, I'll come back to that. So if this is equals to previous is equals to current, then you no man. No. You'll do this for the first time, right?
You're saying
Then
it. Do it however you want, bruh. I'm just looking.
I'm not sure of what I want, like. You say whatever I want, as if I'm sure of what I want. Oh no, I'm not sure how you did this winner thing. Like, can you
So
can
what
you
you need.
help?
So yeah. So you want to just. It's essentially the same logic as above, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So go up in the code. So there, where you have your winner outside, and you have is basically the same thing. The only difference is your value, your current and your previous are different. But other than that, everything is the same.
Oh, here there we said unequal, not this. Okay, so okay. That winner is true outside the loop, not in the loop.
So yeah. Okay, continue. False is capital F, bruh.
Oh, that's why. Can you explain these winner things? I'm not really getting it. Like,
What's up?
I'm saying, can you explain these winner things when we used it here? We said that we said winner to true, right?
Yes.
So when we do the for loop, once it compares those things, it compares the two values, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Then it finds that the current value is not equal to the previous value.
yes.
Then what does this mean?
It means that can't be a win.
When this statement is true, then winner now becomes false.
Yes.
Then we break, then we bring out, we return. Uh-uh.
We check if there was a winner, right? If this was a winning combination, then we say we'll return it. So if we did not enter the if statement from line 8 to line 10, if you do not enter that if statement, that means winner never changed and winner is still true, right?
Yes.
So meaning that's what we
Oh,
check. They will say if our winner is still true, then we return that previous. Otherwise, our winner is false. We continue with the rest of our loop.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. So yeah. So now let me see something, because I think I see something that's gonna be a bit different. So in this case, we start by saying winner is true. So we take the current matrix, which is 1 and 1, we compare it to 0 and 0.
Okay.
And then if they are unequal, then it's false. The statement is false. And then if, so which means that we are out of this, and then we go if winner. And return previous value.
Yeah.
Now,
That's
this
it.
thing doesn't. Did you really need it?
You don't, but it doesn't change anything. Do you know why? Do you know why we don't need it?
Because we can still compare whatever the values that we get to that previous value.
Yeah, the initial one. It should be the same anyway, right? So
Yes.
so we don't need that line here. So you don't need to you can remove it if you want.
Okay,
So
no, it's fine.
yeah.
It's fine. I think I see it. Okay.
So yeah, you can test your code now. Let's see. No, you're not right. It's not gonna run because you're not calling the function, the compare diag, left diag.
Wouldn't this data cause problems?
No, you're using data. You just pass data to it, right? As your input, just go data. Yeah.
I'm just saying now we have data there at the top. We have this one as well.
Is there still one at the top?
Yeah, I didn't cut it.
Yeah, it won't change. It will just change. It doesn't do anything. It just changes the value at the bottom. So
But which one will the program choose first if there's two of them? The second one or the first one?
it will choose the second one because the second one comes before the execution of the function.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you understand that.
Yeah, I think I hear what you see.
Because if
So
you have your date, the date, let's say you see line 30, ne? Let's say you changed your data after line 30. That means compare will use the one before line 30, right? But then if the one after line 30 will use the changed value, that happens after that.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay.
But you're not printing it out, Mas. You're not printing it out.
Need to be printed.
Yeah.
Am I not just
Print
putting
it.
out?
There's no print inside the functions, right? Cool. Sharp. Save. It gave you 0.
Oh, 0 is the veil.
0.
Yes. 0, 0, and a 0.
Yes. So now change 1 to 1. 0, the last 0 to a 1. Hey. Yeah. And none. So there's no winner. So there's no winning diagonal for the left one, right? Right?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's right.
So now I want you to create another function to do the other diagonal.
Okay.
Right, yeah.
Instant here. So the other diagonal, it starts at 0 and 1, it goes to 1 and 1, then it goes to...
You're saying it starts at 0 and 1.
0 and 3. 0 and 3.
Or 0 and 2, yes.
0 and 2, yes. 0 and 2, 1 and 1, and 2 and 1. 2 and...
2 and 0. Well, yeah.
Yes. So the first one will be increasing and the second one will be decreasing.
Okay.
But the problem is now they are not staying the same, both of them.
But they are increasing and decreasing by the same value, right?
Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. So it's gonna be similar to this, ne?
Okay. Wait. Cool.
Why are you laughing at me?
No, because you wanted to copy the whole thing. What are you missing in your function?
I'm gonna change this part.
No, before that, what are you missing?
In which function?
The compare right diag. What are you missing there?
Matrix.
Cool. Sharp.
And, so this one is decreasing. So the first one is the one that is increasing. I don't know. I said it started 0 and 3. It goes to...
What does the first 0 mean? What does the first 0 mean?
The first 0 is the rows.
And the second one is the what?
The values inside the rows, yes.
Yeah, which is the column, right?
Yes.
So meaning the first 0 represents the row, and the first 0 represents the row, and the second 0 represents the column. Now, when we start, right, with our diagonal, where do we start? Do we start at the top row or do we start at the first column?
Well, it doesn't really matter.
Well, it kind of does.
How so? Okay.
Because if you swap them around, you're looking at the rows, right? So I'm saying when we start, when we start like from...
Yes.
We look at the top right value, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's the top right value? Which row is the top right value in?
It's in row 0. So these ones will increase. The rows will be fine or increase.
Yes. And then
I need to work with the columns that they start from 3 going down.
From 2, right? Because from 2.
Yes, from 2. Yes.
Yeah. Cool.
So this will start from 2. And then here, still fine. It's just that here on I need to say 2 minus I. Yeah, 2 minus I. Let me see. When this is 1, yes, when this I is 1, then 2 minus 1 is 1. When we get to the third row, the third row and the first column, I will be 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, so yes, fine. Should be fine.
Okay, cool. Now run it, test it. Yeah, you need to, yeah.
Okay. None.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, this is 1. Let's make this 1. And this 1.
You're just making everything 1.
Figuring out a problem here. Okay, let's try it and see. So it's 1. Okay. So this works.
Mm. So now, because Sharp, now let me ask you a question, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I was to say matrix has is any for it's any n by n thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
How would you change your code now to make it work for any any n by n matrix? So if I was to give you matrix to be of length 2, you should give it to me. If I should of 2 by length 2 by 2, the of dimensions 2 by 2 rather, or 3 by 3, or 4 by 4, or 5 by 5, how would your code change?
So what I'll do is these two here. I'll create a function here that gives the length of the
Okay, do it. So it's
so
like,
size.
yeah.
Here output. Let's say.
No. This function does not have access to data. It has access to, well, it does, but we
Oh, it
want,
has access to matrix.
yes. Cool. And then,
This then will have to change and be size. Oh, we'll start with this. These two will then have to be size.
okay.
And then this one as well will have to be size.
Okay.
And then this one here will be size plus one.
Are you sure? I think
Yeah.
I think I think you're missing. So size, what's the difference between the size and the index?
Size and the index. Size will help me index the numbers. So if
So
let's
so
say
so if the size of your matrix is 1, right?
mhm.
So how will that help you? Because size will be 1, so you'll be indexing something at position 1, and something at position 1 does not exist, right?
I'll be indexing something at position one.
Because size gives you the number of things within a list, right?
Yes.
Or an iterable. But uh but when you index it, it's 1 less than the size, right? So instead of previous, there would be size minus 1, if you understand what I mean. It'll be size minus 1, because if your list is length 3, that means the last value is at index 2, right?
Yes.
Yes. So there you won't be indexing something at size, but at size minus 1.
Wait.
The first
Oh,
one,
size is three.
yes, size is 3, but you want to get it at 2.
Oh, it doesn't give me. Oh, yes, you're right. Okay, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Then now here it means we're not getting what we need.
Oh well, you might just be using size minus 1 minus I, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's the confusion.
Yeah.
Why did they have to make it that way though? I mean,
What do you mean?
they could have just started indexing at one.
Some languages do. I think MATLAB starts indexing at 1. So I guess it's
That's,
just it's a
that's where the
design
confusion is.
it's a design decision, I guess.
Yeah.
But we're used to it anyway. So
Now we have it in compare. How do we then get it into that other one without copying this whole thing?
oh, I see what you're saying. We'll do it now. So wait. Change the code for all the other things. Make it size independent in all the other methods, right?
So can I take this size and put it there at the top and do it once, or what is it?
No. It's within the matrix, right? It's within the function, I mean. Inside the function, you determine the size and then do it. Sorry, my bad.
Okay, so I do it for this one as well.
Mhm. That one already works for it anyway. I guess that one too.
Yeah, because it goes all the way to whatever the numbers we get.
To the end. Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. So now where are you? So where's your tic-tac-toe game? Yeah, so you can remove the last line. Remove the last line.
This last line. I want to remove this.
The print, remove that. Remove the last line as well. Okay, cool. Remove the first line at the top. I think it's still there. Yeah, remove that as well. Cool. Right? Done. And then what do we do now? Go into the game. I think the game. Tic-tac-toe. And then go to the top. Go to the top. No, don't remove that. Don't remove that. Don't remove anything. Don't remove anything. Go to the top of the function.
There's something I forgot. You see here, when I was doing this, I had to do these things, just to prevent the game from checking if
it's fine.
If these dashes are the same. This side, when we did it, we didn't
check for the dashes.
Yeah, so we didn't do that.
It's fine. So it's fine. We'll incorporate it into the other one at the in this side.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So here, what do we need to do? Yeah, go to the top. Top. Yeah. Or even after that, you can choose whether you want to do it from line 6 or line 1. It's fine.
Let me do it.
Yeah. Cool. So from.
My type from.
Yeah. From space. Type matrices. There. Import and space. Press control space on your computer. Import compare. Import compare. No. Come on now. Import compare. Yeah. Cool. So what it's doing, it's going inside the matrices folder and it's importing the compare function, right? So now go down to the winning. To the winning function there, yeah. So comment everything out. Not there, inside the function, not the last line. No. Inside the function, not. Comment that out, yeah. Just go anywhere inside the function where you want to write your code. So write winner equals to compare dot, and then you see your function.
So I have to do
compare. Yeah, you can compare calls, right? Yeah, do it. No. That's fine. You have to call your function, right, with the data that you get.
Wait. Oh, I'm saying, isn't it possible to put all of them?
No. You can't do that. So now you need your matrix, and now what do you have? Go at the top. What do you have coming into your function? You have your board, so you pass it your board, right? You move too far up.
Generate initial.
You move too far up.
No, the weight was generate initial.
Yeah, I was saying you moved too far up. So the current board that comes into your winning method, right? Is
Oh, you mean here?
yes. So that's the one you use. So you pass in the board inside your compare calls math. It's up there, right? Yes. So now we know that. How do you check if you have a winner? What do you do?
If I have
Yeah,
a
if you have
winner,
a winner. Yeah, if because what does your compare calls thing do?
it compares the winner in from
In the columns, right?
vertically. So yeah,
Yeah. So now if you found a vertical winner, what do you do?
you return. It returns something. It returns
So you return that vertical
the
winner, right?
vertical winner. Yes.
Yes. So yeah. So now what you need to do, you have to
Then
check.
then it writes there print winner has
Yeah.
won.
Yes.
Okay. So now what I
So
wanted
you
to find out. Mhm.
so you don't want to check a horizontal winner if there's a vertical winner, right?
Yes.
So yeah, so if you found your winner for the columns, you return that winner. So you have to check, do I have a winner now, right? After you
Yeah.
check, you compare your columns, you check, do I have a winner now? Do that. And how do you do that?
Okay. Let's wait. So if there's this, wait, if I have a winner, how do I check if I have a win? I have to use the same strategy we did there where we said winner is true, but we'll
No,
have to say something is
no,
true.
you don't have to do that.
Okay.
So I'll tell you what to do now. I'll
I
tell you.
almost asked if you are sure. Yes, yes.
Press enter. Say if winner, right? No, if winner and right, winner is not your dash thing, right? If winner and winner is not your dash, right? Meaning if we didn't get none, right? If we didn't get none, meaning we got a zero,
Uh-huh.
yeah, or dash or a one in a row, right? That means we have a winner. But we want to remove our dash. We don't want, so that's why it's like if winner, right? And winner is not equal to dash, your dash thing, right? Yeah. Then you return your winner.
So if the person, if winner and winner,
Right.
I have,
Listen, right? What does compare columns do? It just checks if there is something in the column that are if a column contains the same things, right?
mm-hmm.
So if your column has all ones, what will winner be? It will be one, right? If your column contains all zeros, what will your column be? Would
The
your column
winner will be one.
will be
Will be
zero?
zero. Eh.
Yes. Now,
Oh,
if your column contains all dashes, right? What will
okay.
your winner be? It will be dashes, but we don't want to count dashes, right? So that's why we have that, and the winner shouldn't be a dash there, right?
Okay,
Unless
okay.
is your zero a number or a string? First of all,
It's a number.
okay, then you have to make it a string. Or you can say if your winner is equals to zero or your winner is equals to one, then you return the winner, right? So you can do
Mm-hmm.
that. I think that makes more. So if winner is equal to zero, or yeah, remove the end. Remove that. Just your O is fine. Remove the end. Or yeah, remove the end. Okay. Should be one, right? No. The last one should remove the last one. Remove the last comparison. You don't need that one. You don't need this guy. The winner, yeah, that one you don't need. And you need to compare. You're assigning there. You're not comparing, right? So yeah. So you're saying if it's 0 or if it's 1, then you return the winner, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now I guess it'll make more sense for you.
Oh. Now I was kind of getting it as well.
Yeah.
Because what was beneficialing me was you see when you put winner alone, it was where I was getting confused, but I think I saw it. You see, like when you say if winner, and then you just leave it as if winner. You get what I'm saying? Lebo, are you there?
Oh, I'm on mute. I was on mute. Sorry. I get what you're saying. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So yeah,
Okay.
so you just have to do the same things for the other functions, right? Why did you remove that detector there?
I don't know anything.
You can, yeah. So you just have to repeat the same thing for the diagonals and the same thing for for both diagonals and the other one and the row, right? So just copy, yeah, equals to, yeah. No, that was fine. Oh, you want to copy everything? Okay, cool. Yeah.
So, I don't recall it rows.
It'll it'll tell you, yeah.
So this means that if, let's say, firstly we assign winner to whatever that we get here, right?
Uh-huh.
And
It'll
then
it'll
if here,
if it's none there, it will change it when it gets to line 71.
oh yes.
You don't have to do that, You can just remove that thing. No. Before you paste it, yeah, remove it. Yeah, press control space, and then it shows you there.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Cool. There's an even better way to clean it up, but we'll do that tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool, bruh. I will. You don't have to print that out, bruh. Tic-tac-toe already prints out already. So yeah. So just run it, save and run it. No module named matrices. What's this now? Go to the top. It's complaining about the import.
Because it's from a different folder.
Just wait. Do 2 dots from there. Like, where are you now? So before your matrices, do 2 dots. 2 dots. Yep. Sharp. Save. Let's see. Run it. Still complaining. Attempted relative import beyond top level package. Oh, that's just Pylint. It's fine. Run it. Let's see. Oh, with no known parent package. I need to we'll fix this. I need to be in another call now, ne? I think we'll fix this tomorrow. I know what the problem is. Or I'll just send you notes on how to fix it on Slack. I just need to be in a call now. Ne? Sharp.